Telly Tucker. I'm the president at the Institute for Advanced Learning and Research in Danville, Virginia. The Institute, affectionately known as IALR, is a political subdivision in the Commonwealth. It's one of 5 higher ed institutions, and our mission here is to be a regional catalyst for economic transformation. Well, it's really the impact of industry, supporting industry, creating better opportunities for people that live and work in this region. We are a region that's historically characterized by manufacturing. It's in our DNA. It's what we do. So naturally, the Institute plays a large part in supporting workforce development, workforce training, educational opportunities, research and development opportunities, primarily centered around manufacturing, what supports the industry. It's really important that we create a pipeline of highly skilled, highly trained and aware young people that have a future of a mindset to go into manufacturing. We were fortunate 5 years ago to develop a relationship with FasTech. FasTech was one of the first companies from the UK recruited that's physically housed here on our campus. And some of the amazing work that they're doing, partnering, hiring students from our training programs and growing their business here before they locate in a new location right here in Southern Virginia. It's been truly remarkable to have them on our campus. And so miraculously over the last 5 years, we've grown together, so to speak. And the new partnership that we have now with the United States Department of Defense and the Navy particularly is helping with innovative and emerging technologies. FasTech's a big part of that. So this is truly kind of a match made in heaven in terms of industry, government, military, all coming together to really drive innovation around manufacturing. So for those of you who haven't had an opportunity to come visit the Institute for Advanced Learning and Research, our doors are always open. We welcome you to come, show you around, and hopefully you'll see some of the magic of why this is a growing ecosystem of manufacturing and research and development in the additive space.